Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with another haul from TM Tuesday morning. But before I do, I forgot in my, I don't know if which video is going to be up first, but my Hobby Lobby haul. And this rolled to the side, I forgot to show it. This was the OL Lady Boss washi tape. I only got one because I only had 140% coupon, but I'm going to go back and get other ones. So this has 9 pieces in it, and this is the one that has the fortune cookie. Babe, you got this, and you got this Lady Boss. So, yeah. If you can see that. So that rolled off. So went to Tuesday morning. Now this week Tuesday morning, I went out shopping Tuesday. I was off work because I've been out of town. I just needed a break from all that traffic, driving in traffic. And I didn't get them go till late. You know, I know the trucks came in on Monday, but I went on Tuesday, and I still did pretty well. I went to a couple TMs. And they were pretty well stocked. Excuse me, they were pretty well stocked as far as it's a lot of repeats, but a lot more of the same repeats. So, like for instance, there was a lot more Tim Holtz, like it was last week. They had more Tim Holtz stuff that had already been out. A lot more Richard Garage, just a lot more of the same things that had been out. So if you missed some stuff, there was a lot more. We have memory keepers. They had the scissors, the Springs form scissors, precision scissors. They had the dowel, the one with the dowel that's relatively new that you slice the papers. I forgot to take a picture of that. They had all the different stuff, the punches for the alphabet punch board, the decorative fonts that you can use. So they had those out there, ranging from $1.99 to $6.99. Bone folder. I didn't see the guides because I'm gonna get those guys. If I see those guys, I want those. It was something else that they had out by We Are Memory Keepers. But anyway, so a lot of We Are Memory Keepers products, you know, keep coming and going. This is a repeat, and I kept thinking, yeah, I got this. I know I got this, but they changed the package because Lifestyle Crafts got brought out by We Are Memory Keepers. But anyway, so I picked it up because I kept thinking, I think I had this one, but I wasn't sure. And I kept saying that looked familiar, but it was only like one box in one of the stores. There was 2 boxes, but I wanted to make sure I got it. I'm gonna take it back because I do have this. My box has a different picture on the front. It has a card on the front, but it's the same exact die, so I'm gonna take it back. But be on the lookout for that one. It's $6.99 and it's 2016244. So these 18 metal dies imitate like washi tape, so you can use your own paper, decorative paper, and you use these dies to cut it out to make it look like washi tape. Also your tags for your banners and things like that, and some regular shapes. They had a lot more artsy dies out, and you know they're really inexpensive as well, like $3.99. Some of them were $2.99. So check on that if you have that in your area. But this is one of the stencil and die set, and you probably won't be able to see it too well with the glare. But it's $2.99, and the number is 2012306. And so some of the June stuff is coming out. So just, I mean, August stuff is coming out as well. This one I hadn't seen before in my store, but it's a 9-piece nesting die set for $4.99. So I picked that up. And again, I read the SKU so that you can call the 1-800 product hotline number. Type in that number that I read off to you and your zip code, and they'll let you know if it's in your area or which store is closest to you. Now, sometimes the number may be on more than one item. That does happen sometimes. 2004079. Like, for instance, when they have a whole bunch of these dies, sometimes they just use, because it might be too many, maybe 20, 30 different We Are Memory Keeper dies, and sometimes they just may use one number for all those dies, but they'll let you know they have some dies in the store. You just have to go look. Now, I did only find this in really like one store had a whole bunch of stamps. So I did pick some up. This has, I think, came out before, but I don't think I got it. And this was $1.99. It's a memory planner Heidi Swap stamp set. And it's 18 pieces. There's things like give up exercise, stronger, faster, tougher, something the effort, real plan, meal plan, worth the effort. So more like exercising and encouraging. Sorry for that glare. That number is 1982337. And some more mementos, a lot of memento items, stamps and dies. So this memento stamp set, and I look like I may have gotten one similar to this from Hobby Lobby by stamping this, but I don't know. I'm going to check my stash. If I have these, I'll just take it back or I gift it to somebody. But this is $1.99. We'll put it in a giveaway. 20122, because when I hit 3,000, I'm going to have another giveaway. 2012299. And this one has my family always happy is everything love together fun. All our blessings cherished. 21 pieces. Nice variety of fonts. And this is the same thing, but it's the baby version. And this one is 2012301. So yes, they have different numbers. So it says some things like cute, beautiful, cute as a button, as forever, always. You bring such bundle love, I will, baby. And 2 of my staff are pregnant. So one's going to find out, the other one's not. I think the first one, I think she's definitely having a boy. She's due in September, and the other one is not due to January, so it's still a little early. But so I'm going to be making some mini albums. Then he has some Project Life stamps. And this one is 1982337. Okay, I thought I saw that number before. And this one had Sweet Bundle of Joy, Baby Adorable, some of those things like that as well. So with the baby books, I don't know, she hasn't figured out her color yet, what she wants to do for the girl who's not going to find out, which I think is pretty exciting too, but I got to figure out how I want to make her album. So this is another Project Life one, and this is Southern Wedding. And this one, I'm sorry, the first one was Baby Boy. This one is Southern Wedding, $1.99. And they have the exact same number. See, this is example, 1982337. So they have the same number, but 2 different stamp sets. So, but they're both Project Life stamps. So if you type it in, you at least know there's some stamps. You might not know which one. But this one says, celebrate, love and cherish memories together, Mr. and Mrs. Self for a wedding. And this Memento stamp set, it's just one of the planner ones, and it's $1.99, 2012297. It says, happy today, moments to remember, live, love, laugh, dream, be true, and some tags. And I got to check and make sure I don't have that one as well. Did pick up the little Mama's Eye 24-piece die set journaling cards, $1.49, 1983745, and it's got some gold pieces in there as well, as you can see right there with the chevron in the back. Picked up this little wood ephemera piece by Imaginess, and it's 1964068, $1.99, and those are the images. These are great to layer with tags and things like that. I find it great for layering. Saw this cute My Mind's Eye, and it's so thick. It's 49 pieces for $1.49. It's a good price because the Echo Park ones were $1.99, and this is a lot of pieces. So I like this. It's got some gold accents in here as well, and got flamingos, got that Floridian vibe, summer vibe going on. And did I read it? 1983743. I don't know if I read it in that. I think I have this, but I was organizing my last couple punches and I didn't see it, so maybe I don't have it, but I got to make sure I got one more bag to go through. But I picked up the baby feet just in case I didn't have it, but I think I do. 2002752. If so, it will be going back, but it's $3.99 in Boss Baby Feet. But I wanted to make sure I had it just in case, since I got to do all these baby albums. I did pick this up because I do have the other decorative fonts, and this is also going to be used as a punch for confetti or just a regular punch. But you can use this as it is intended to use it on letters, or you can make a little flower out of it and some different designs. If you can kind of see, it's kind of like a petal shaped cross, and this is how it looks when you use it on the punches. I mean, on the letters from the alphabet board. You punch those letters out. And it's $1.99, 2016222. And they had all the other ones, but I already owned the other ones, like the chevron, the 3-in-1s and stuff like that. So I had those. And then I got another set from off of HSN. They had a 3-pack of the fonts for $10. So, but if you want to get some of those to add to your punch boards, go check them out. So I did pick up these 2 dies, which they've been in TM for a while. This one didn't have a sticker on it, so she just charged me $3.99 to match this one. But this is just a small 3-dimensional house. And then this one is another house. It just says mini house, mini die, excuse me, die mini house, and it's 2002728. So you've probably seen those before. So this is the ephemera pack from Echo Park, excuse me, Cartabella, Home Sweet Home. And this one is 1958724. I don't believe I have that one, but if I do, it shall go back. So some more Project Life stuff, tons of Project Life stuff this week. So I did pick up a couple embossing folders. I'm on the fence about this one. I may have this confetti one, which has the love, and the 4x6, and then the 3x4 is the heart. I gotta double check, see if I have that. And the number on it is 200, then 4122. And then this baby boy one, again, see all this, the theme, baby boy stuff and baby girl stuff, is Stars and Stripes, and it's 200, 4124. So when I say 200, it's 200, 4124. These are $1.99, and that is what they look like. The 3x4 stripe, and the little mini stars is 4x6. And then this one is the baby girl, which I also think about making a little flip album for them. And this is 24123. So they do have different numbers. And this one is the bows and the double hearts, which I even have a die like that. So it's pretty cool. I thought I had this die set. I had passed it up like 4 or 5 times, but then I looked, I had the other cactus set. So this is the artsy succulents. It's 200, 2730, 14-piece set. Good deal for that price. Same thing with this one. This one is the alpha and the stamps. And this one is 200, excuse me, 20, 12209, $3.99 as well. And these can connect. You can connect these pieces together and cut it out and make a different shape. Make the shapes and then stamp the letters. So they had a couple more Richard Garra stamp sets. He must really like the word amazing, because all of his words have amazing in it. It's just amazing. I'm just joking. Anyway, so this one is Make Amazing Things Happen collection. So this is the blossoms, and it's $4.99, 1985663. So you have the 3 florals and 4 flowers and leaves, and the 4 ties. Okay, I do speak in English most days. Then the next one, it says Be Amazing and Make It Happen, 1985666. I'm being silly now. It's time to go to sleep. And then the other one is Today is the Day, and Amazing You. And I already have the other one that says Be Brave, something amazing. But this one is 1985665. And I got one more ephemera pack, which was by Project Life. This had 47 pieces in it. It was $1.49, and it is 1982349. That is how it looks on the front. And then on the back, these are the goodies that they have. And then last but not least, I got this cute little sticker set, puffy set. I like it because it's dimensional. It's $1.49, and it's all tropical, and it's called tropical. It's 2012321. So you have flamingo, sunshine, soak in the sun, beach, flip-flops, sand dollars, starfish, and flip-flops, aloha. So that is my TM haul. So thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.